Well, I took the transfer case apart, and so far I'm not finding anything wrong with it, which is good news. Here's your electronic actuator. Over here is where your plug plugs in. That part bolts the transmission. This side here, this side is your tail shaft, and come straight through. The chain goes around this sprocket, go down here, which this rides in this roller bearing here. The chain loops around this sprocket, goes up, and then this shaft would be inserted down in through here. Anyway, so not really finding anything chewed up. The synchronizer seems to be in decent shape, which I thought that's where I was going to find a lot of damage at, was right there at the synchronizer, from all the noise that it was making. I still yet need to take this snap ring off right here. There's a snap ring right around this shaft right here. I'll take the snap ring off, slide all these components off, just so I can get one last look at the internal components right here, because I think I've been suspecting that I have a problem in this area, because the rest of it is just hard bearings, like roller bearings, and there's a sun gear. You can see there's a planetary in there with a sun gear, and all that seems to be good. So anyway, I'm going to disassemble this section here and see what we find. If we don't find anything, nothing wrong with it, we're going to clean it up and put it back together.